Home HVAC Services provides dependable ductless mini-split repair in West Chester, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners restore comfort quickly and efficiently. Our experienced technicians diagnose and repair issues such as poor airflow, refrigerant leaks, unusual noises, frozen coils, and system malfunctions to keep your ductless HVAC system operating at peak performance. If you have any questions, contact our ductless mini-split repair team. Are you looking for a ductless mini-split repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What are common signs that my ductless mini-split needs repair? Common signs include weak airflow, unusual noises, leaking water, unpleasant odors, inconsistent temperatures, frozen coils, or higher energy bills. If your system is not cooling or heating properly, it may need professional repair. Can a mini-split be repaired instead of replaced? Yes, many mini-split problems can be repaired, especially if the system is relatively new. A technician can determine whether repair or replacement is the most cost-effective solution. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our ductless mini-split repair have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.